श्रीलंका का मशहूर फूड व्लॉगर एशियन श्रीलंका पाकिस्तानी फूड का इस कदर दीवाना निकला कि सिर्फ पाकिस्तानी खानों के व्लॉग्स बनाने के लिए पाकिस्तान आ गया। आखिर उसे पाकिस्तानी खाने क्यों पसंद आए?
I never thought Pakistan will be like this. The food is super good. Lahore, Lahore.
उर्दू पॉइंट की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम आने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रह सकें।
उर्दू पॉइंट से जाहिर महमूद आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है। नाज़रीन, मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं श्रीलंका से आए एशन श्रीलंका, जो मशहूर फूड ब्लॉगर हैं। श्रीलंका के मिलियंस में इनके सब्सक्राइबर्स और व्यूज़, और ये पाकिस्तानी फूड के इतने शौकीन हैं कि ये सिर्फ पाकिस्तानी क्यूजीन पर व्लॉग्स बनाने के लिए पाकिस्तान आए हैं। आज ये हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं अनारकली में। आइए इनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं कि ये पाकिस्तान क्यों आया है। हेलो एशन।
Hello Pakistan. Hello Pakistan.
How are you doing?
I'm good man. I'm good man. I'm doing great in Pakistan.
So I heard that you come here in Pakistan to make vlogs about Pakistani cuisine and food. What do you think?
Yeah. So I travel. I have been traveling for many years. I went to Bangkok. I went to India. I went to many countries. But I find this Pakistan in a very beautiful way. This is a very beautiful country. The people are so good. The food is super good. Actually, I am more into food vlogs.
Okay.
I'm more into food. I'm a foodie, and I love tasting good food. So I never thought Pakistan will be like this. Pakistan, Zindabad. I love
Okay.
this food. I love this food.
So which kind of food you have made the videos about in Pakistan?
Bro,
Yeah, details,
bro,
details.
the best food I had is camel milk.
Wow. Camel milk. You
Yeah.
didn't find camels in your country?
Yeah. So camel milk is just milk. I love camel milk. So I had camel milk. I love camel milk in Pakistan. I really love that. And I'm more into biryani. I have a biryani chain in Sri Lanka. I'm doing this biryani thing in Sri Lanka. I'm making biryani in Sri Lanka.
So which biryani you found the best in Pakistan?
Bro, Wakas biryani.
Oh.
Wakas biryani. I love Wakas biryani. And I love this food at Arif Chakhara.
Oh, Arif Chathara.
Arif Chathara. I love that too. And many more things. I love the way they serve food. Yeah. And the but
Kadahi.
kadahi. I love that food also. At the same time, the atmosphere, it's similar to Sri Lanka, but the food is totally different from Sri Lanka. The food is totally different from India. The food is totally different from anywhere out of South Asia.
Wow.
Pakistan is identity. The Pakistani identity is amazing.
Wow.
The culture, the tradition, the food mixed in together in one place. Amazing.
So in which way you found the Pakistani cuisine and Pakistani food is different and the best from Indian and Sri Lankan and everywhere in the world?
So bro, I have been traveling around the world and I love eating South Asian food especially. So I went through social media. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a content maker. I love watching others' content too.
Yeah.
So when you go to YouTube, Pakistani food looks different. Pakistani food looks more delicious. So that's why I decided to come here and I found it very special.
So wherever you have gone to make the food vlogs in Pakistan, just tell me the details.
I had only 4 days. This is my last day. I had only 4 days. I went to Islamabad. I went to Peshawar. I'm here now. I started the journey in Lahore and I'm ending my journey in Lahore. Because why? I love Lahore, Lahore.
That's cool, by the way. So I just want to know which kind of food you have found in Peshawar and Islamabad. Just details.
Yeah, so when it comes to Peshawar, the food in Peshawar is super tasty because it's super traditional and it's super, how to say that, authentic. And we found this pulao. Pulao in Peshawar. I love pulao, especially the beef pulao. I love it. When you come to Lahore, they don't have pulao. They have pulao, but the taste in Peshawar pulao is the best pulao. The best taste of pulao. So if you are coming to Pakistan to eat the food in Pakistan, there are specific places in Pakistan. If you go to this area, this food is amazing. If you go to this area, this food is amazing. Different places. Identity is different. Taste is different. I love Pakistan.
what will be your comment about the food culture? Like people are presenting in a different way. They are presenting something else with the food, or their manners and how they are presenting to you. Is they are showing love to you?
Yeah. So when it comes to food, especially in South Asia, food and nightlife is connected. Yeah. So when it comes to food in Pakistan, when it comes to the nightlife in Pakistan, it is super connected. The taste is more beautiful. The taste is super nice when it's nightlife. Night food, for example, this tagadak
Yeah.
and the vibe, the lights everywhere. The people are smiling. People are treating the best way. People think that this is a scary country. Huh?
Yeah.
Some people might think you should not go to Pakistan. Some people are asking me when I'm coming to Pakistan. Some people are asking like, why you go to Pakistan? Why you should go to Pakistan? Don't go to Pakistan. Go to another country. No, the hell, no. You should come to Pakistan. This is a safe country, of course. The food is super nice, of course. The people are super nice, of course. And the atmosphere is safe for you. You should come to Pakistan.
So did you like?
I'm gonna come again.
You're coming again.
Yeah, I wish I can go to the coolest area in Pakistan on my next trip.
So tell me about yourself to my audience. They want to know you who you are in Sri Lanka.
So in Sri Lanka, if you are coming to Sri Lanka, just tell me, I'll take care of you in anywhere in Sri Lanka. So much of foreigners coming to Sri Lanka as well, coming to Pakistan, Lahore as well. So that's because of the people.
No, you can show.
Yeah, that's because of the people like this. There are many people. Yeah, you can come. That's because of the people like this.
Okay.
So I met these YouTubers, this couple in Pakistan.
So you people are connected
Yeah,
through
we are
social media.
collaborating. We are collaborating. We met in Pakistan. Now Pakistan is a hub for foreigners. Now Pakistan is a joint for the people who travel around the world. They meet here. They get together here. They collaborate here.
Especially in Asia.
Yeah, especially in Asia, especially in Pakistan, especially in India, especially in Sri Lanka. It's like a destination for the travelers, guys.
So इसके साथ ही मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त, देखते रहिए उर्दू पॉइंट कैमरामैन इरफान के साथ ज़ाहिर महमूद लाहौर
Lahore, Lahore.
लाहौर है।
Yeah.